In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Quora space on Quora. Before we start, remember that deleting a space is permanent. Once it's gone, you usually can't restore it, so make sure you really don't need the content, followers, or settings associated with that space anymore. If there's anything important there, consider saving it before you follow these steps. First, open your web browser and go to the Quora website. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your usual credentials so you can access your dashboard. You'll know you're on your dashboard when you see your home feed with questions, answers, and content tailored to your interests. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a column with different sections, including your spaces. This panel might be labeled something like Spaces, and it shows the spaces you follow or manage. From this list, click on the specific space that you want to delete. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple spaces. When you click on your space, you'll be taken to that space's main page. Here you can see posts, followers, and any content related to it. In the central area of this page, look for an option called Settings. This is usually near the top portion of the space page, often displayed as a tab or a clickable link. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the Space Settings panel. Once you're on the settings page for your space, you'll see various options that let you customize how the space works. To delete the space, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. Take your time and go past any sections about notifications, contributors, and appearance until you reach the very end. At the bottom, you should see a button or link labeled Delete Space. Click on this option. Quora will now ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the space. This confirmation step is designed to prevent accidental deletions, so read the message carefully. If you are completely sure that you want to proceed, click on Delete Space again to finalize the deletion. After you do this, your space will be deleted from Quora. That's all there is to it.